Justin here with SewLong. Today we've got a fun project. We always love to interview our customers and make sure we know how they're using their boat so that we can deliver a cover that fits their needs. So today we've got a customer who leaves his boat in the garage all winter long, and in the summer this boat's going to sit in the water in a wet slip. So let's go over the features. First of all, as we do with all of our double up storage covers, we do a different color triangle. So when you got that big cover sitting in the bow and you're getting ready to put it on, that's a really clean indicator where the front goes, and it's a really easy way to help you get it on. Walking back the side here, we've got something we don't normally do on our double up storage covers. We don't normally do cleat cutouts, but because he's gonna be sitting in the water, he needs to be able to tie this thing off. So we've given him access to his cleats, his fender pros, more cleats, and that going back. So we can tie this thing off in the wet slip. The next thing we've done to modify this cover over our standard double up storage cover is we've added a good ratchet strap here on the side so we can really get this thing down nice and tight. Normally they cover the side so it catches the boat, but because we had to go up high to keep the cover out of the water, we put the big double ratchets on both sides of this. Coming back here to the back, you can see that we've covered the swim platform cover. He wanted to cover this, as I suggested, because you want to keep the ducks and the critters off your swim platform and also keep it out of the sun and out of the weather. So when this boat is empty, this swim deck cover should sit out of the water a few inches. And so we decided to cover that. If it gets a few waves or water on the cover, no problem, it's a waterproof fabric. We just don't want the cover sitting in the water all the time. And then lastly, kind of coming back here to the side, you probably already noticed, normally with our double up storage covers for trailer application or on a boat lift, we like to cover the entire side to protect all of that from the sun and the UV. But because he's sitting in the wet slip, we had to modify that cover, and we didn't want that cover sitting actually in the water the whole time. We've cut it up and tailored it to fit his application. If you have a unique situation, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to help, and we love modifying covers to fit your needs.